So, what were some of the problems you faced initially while getting your company renowned?
Initially, when we started off, it was like a self-employed business. It was not like I had a whole-fledged team, or we were doing multiple projects. It was like one project. Whenever you get the project, you go. You're the salesperson. You're the accountant. You're the executor. You're the engineer. You're the fabricator. You're the cleaner. You're everything. So it was like that. So initially I struggled through it all, but it was a journey that I loved. It was not like there was ups and downs, but as and when I went forward, I got a team in place, and that was a game changer. So during the initial days, I think two struggles. One thing is awareness. Many people didn't know that the gate could be automated. They were struggling through it, but they didn't know that okay, there was a solution out there that could solve. So explaining to them how and what is to be done, it took a lot of time. So that was one issue, and then the second thing was getting staff to work alongside, putting your vision in front of them, and making sure that they deliver at as per your expectation. So that was things that we were during the initial stage.